Hi everybody, I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving early, and I want to personally invite you to come out on Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. Thanksgiving Eve for our family Thanksgiving Eve service. This is going to be a service when we're going to ask people to give testimonies of what they're thankful for. And we would love to hear from you even before the service. If you could call the office, call me, call us. We'd love to hear what you're thankful for and what God has done for you. We do have to keep the testimonies a little bit shorter because we have several people that want to share, from young children about what they're thankful to God for, from senior saints. So we love to hear from you, and we love to have you be part of it. It's a Wednesday night service. There's no children's programs or anything like that. It's just a Wednesday night service on Thanksgiving Eve where we'll come together and give thanks to God. We'll have worship. We'll have a full worship team here. I'm going to be sharing a message on the importance of being thankful to God in all things. And we're going to have testimonies at the same time. It's just a little bit over an hour in duration, from 7 to 8 o'clock, and we'll end up at the altar praying together. And what a great way to go into this holiday season. So we hope to see you Wednesday night at 7 o'clock for our special Thanksgiving Eve family service. God bless you.